One of the most important things na tinitingnan natin sa pagpili ng ating broker is yung kanilang payment system. Dapat madaling mag-deposit and most importantly, dapat madaling mag-withdraw ng ating funds sa ating trading account. So aside sa of course, number one, dapat regulated sila, lalong-lalo pa dito sa Pilipinas na wala tayong specific laws para ma-regulate yung mga trading brokers, kaya dapat yung brokers na pinipili natin is regulated sila with top-tier regulators worldwide. So aside nga doon, dapat maganda din yung payment system ng pipiliin nating broker. Madaling mag-cash in or mag-fund ng ating trading account, and most importantly, madaling mag-withdraw ng ating profits straight to our preferred payment method, like dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung mga payment methods na usually ginagamit natin, like GCash or yung mga pangunahin natin ng mga local banks. And speaking of a broker na talagang mabusisi at tinitingnan nila yung mga hinanaing ng mga traders, instant yung withdrawals, wala ka na dapat ibang hahanapin, Exness. So Exness has been around since 2008 and ito yung official website nila. Andyan yung link sa video description if you want to check them out to know more details. With millions of clients worldwide, ayan kung nakikita nyo, yung kanilang website visitors from last month, which is September, is 29.7 million. So yan po karami, ganun po karami yung mga gumagamit ng kanilang website, at yun nga available din sila sa Pilipinas para sa ating mga Filipino traders. Tapos of course yung sinasabi kong mga top tier regulators kung saan sila regulated. Pagdating nyo dito sa mismong website nila, scroll down na kayo dito sa bottom part at makikita nyo lahat ng mga entities kung saan sila regulated. So, malalaman natin maganda talaga si Exness dahil sa sobrang daming gumagamit ng kanilang platform. So, ito nga, 29.7 million po yan na users, individual users na gumagamit at nagte-trade with them. And of course, lahat ng mga paborito mong instruments na gusto mo i-trade is available sa kanila to trade, from cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex, etc. Lahat-lahat. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng hassle-free na broker na instant withdrawals, wala ka na dapat ibang hahanapin, i-try mo si Exness at ikaw mismo maka-experience sa kanilang magandang serbisyo. Hanggang dito na lang tong video, and if you still have questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.